In this video, I'll guide you through how to find cash buyers in PropWire account. Finding cash buyers can be extremely useful when working in real estate, especially if you are involved in wholesaling and need a reliable list of potential buyers for your deals. Having a strong cash buyer list can help you move properties more efficiently by connecting with people who are already purchasing real estate. To get started, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. From the home screen, begin by choosing the area where you want to search for cash buyers. The best search area will depend on your market. In areas with many real estate transactions, you may be able to search using a zip code. In smaller or rural markets, you may need to expand your search to a city, county, or larger area to find enough results. After selecting your location, PropWire will begin filtering the available properties. Next, go to the Lead Type section and select the Cash Buyers option. This filter identifies transactions where the property was likely purchased with cash, meaning there was no mortgage involved in the purchase. After applying the Cash Buyer filter, review the results. Keep in mind that some cash purchases may be older and may not represent active investors today. To make the list more relevant, use additional filters to focus on more recent activity. Open the More Options menu and select Owner Filters. Adjust the Years of Ownership filter to focus on buyers who purchased properties more recently. This can help identify people who may still be actively involved in real estate. You can also filter by the number of properties owned by the buyer. Setting a minimum number of properties owned can help separate regular homeowners from potential investors who own multiple properties. Another useful filter is property type. Depending on the type of deal you are working with, you can focus on buyers who purchase similar properties, such as single-family homes or condos. You can also adjust the price range to match the type of property you are trying to sell. For example, if you have a higher priced property, you can focus on cash buyers who have previously purchased properties within that range. Once you have your list, you can review individual properties and check the owner information. You can then use available contact tools to find ways to reach those owners. You can also filter between individual owners and businesses depending on the type of buyers you prefer to contact. After creating your list, you can save the search for future use or download the available information for your outreach process. That's how you can find cash buyers in your PropWire account. By combining cash buyer filters with ownership, property, and price filters, you can create a more targeted list of potential buyers for your real estate deals.